tiger? Flying tiger? What's going on? Have you spotted the perpetrator yet?
I'll answer me, man.
Sorry, Silver Owl. I cannot answer you until you say over. Sorry, Flying Arrow. Tiger. Flying tiger, not flying arrow. Flying tiger. You didn't say over. Neither did you, over. Shall we get up? Over. Negative. That's a negative. Over. Well, I'm getting up. Over.
My kneecaps are hurting me. Are your kneecaps hurt? Oh.
Are your kneecaps hurting you? Over. Yes, Silver Owl. They are killing me. Over.
Oh, come on, Arwell. Let's take a break.
Over. Oh, is this Arwell you speak of? He sounds like a cool dude. Over. Well, he thinks he's a cool dude. Over and out.
Oh, no, Cad. If you say
Over and out.
that is the end of our talkie-walkie conversation, man.
Oh, sorry.
Plus, you said my real name over the airwaves, thus risking my security.
Right,
Say
calm down. 003 and a half.
Hey, shush, you're not going to say my secret code name out loud either. Only K is allowed to do that.
I thought I was K.
Well, you're K when you wear the wig. When you're dressed like that, you're just Silver Owl, remember?
Not really. Hey, I've really enjoyed this spying stuff, but now I'm going to take a little break. We haven't seen any birds anyhow.
A break. Bird watching is not for quitters, Cad. Yeah? Do you think it's easy to spot a lesser spotted woodpecker? No. It's a way of life. And you do it like this. Here we go out. You find a spot. You look over there. There it is. A sparrow. So then you get out your bird log and you get your writing implemente and you write down in it sparrow and then you go again. Thrush. Yeah, there you go. Thrush. And there you go again. Then you look for a big one and you're like that. And you climb and you get out your whip and you flip it over there and you swing over the cavern and then you get like that and you say to go, oh, pterodactyl. Yeah, I think you spell it with a P. I think it's got a P in it.
Okay.
Taking a break. Over.
No. We can't take a break. What happens if that nasty old Socks the cat comes back, yeah? When we are on a break, what happens then, eh?
Well, if she does sneak back in, then I'm sure you can handle it all by yourself. Or you could use that secret call that you showed me.
I mean this one. Huh? Yeah. Oh, it's a really good secret call, that one. Hey, imagine I do actually attract a Spix macaw. Oh, that's a rare bird. Oh, imagine the faces on that lot in bird watching club. If I get a Spix macaw in my bird log.
Taking this very seriously, Alra.
Yeah, of course I am. I'm a member of YOC, the Young Ornithologists Club. Yeah. I always have been since I was a kid. Yeah, they call me the Twitcher. Yeah. And today is the most important mission I have ever done. Because today, I need to keep that nasty Socks away from my bird feeder. Because I've heard there's a lesser spotted woodpecker in the area. And this could be my chance. Yeah, look, I've even gone, right, and bought myself a super special dart pen, yeah. You press this bit here, right, and woof, out of it comes a tranquilizer dart. But no, don't touch it, man. Yeah, the tranquilizer dart comes out of there in 3 seconds, yeah? 3 seconds, it'll put anything to sleep.
All right,
Night, socks.
Enough of that. You were a member of a bird watching club.
Yep, always have been, even before I started working with you.
Well, how come you've never mentioned it before?
Well, you see, Cad, first rule of bird club is you don't talk about bird club.
Well, how can anyone new join then?
Well, like I just said, right? The first rule of bird club.
Oh, is that how you knew to get rid of that pigeon that came down the chimney? Oh my gosh, you were so amazing.
Well, you know what? I couldn't possibly tell you because the first rule of bird
Yeah.
club.
The first rule of bird club is bird boys don't talk about bird club. Yeah?
Something like that.
Hey. Sorry, I didn't mean to ruffle your feathers. Ruffle your feathers?
Okay, it's not very funny.
I'll take a joke, Arwel.
Oh! Holy fat balls! There's been a breach on the perimeter. I repeat, a breach of the perimeter. No, get down, Cad. Don't put your head above the parapet. You don't know who is watching us back.
Okay, why do we need to get down, Arwel? Surely we want to get Socks out of the garden, so if we stopped hiding, then she'd be scared and she'd just go off on her own.
Look, this is uncharted territory, right?
Uncharted territory.
My RSPB young bird watcher training has not prepared me for this eventuality, yeah? Now, I have thought outside of the box myself, and I have bought myself the super tranquilizing dart pen, which, by the way, I am not afraid to use, yeah? Because if this is my chance to see that woodpecker, and if Socks goes anywhere near damaging my friendly little birds out there, right, I tell you what, we have just got to get rid of that blinking cat before...
Arwel! Calm down.
Calm down, sorry.
Breathe.
Breathe in.
Anyhow, I don't think that dart pen actually works.
What are you talking about? Of course it does. Got it off the internet. Everything off the internet works. Right then.
Ooh.
Come on, Soxy. What are you doing?
Well, I'm seeing if this would attract other birds.
Yeah, well, don't. Shush. What did I just say? Shush. If you blow that again, right, we will be deluged with big birds. And it's the little birds we need, yeah? Shush now.
Well, why don't we want big birds?
Well, because little birds are cooler, aren't they? Cool birds.
You're a big bird. Do you live on Sesame Street? Oh, I thought it was funny.
Ah! Socks is right by the bird table. You feline menace! Oh, if she tries to hurt any of my little birds, I tell you what, I'm going to use the dart pen. I'm going to use it.
Lovely cat. This is all you've got to do, okay? Socks. There's a good girl. Go on. Shoo. There we are.
That was a very unorthodox and risky manoeuvre there, Cad. But, yes. Socks has left the building! Yeah, nice one!
Well, this has been a lot of fun, Annabelle. But now I'm going to take that break. Shall I put the kettle on?
Yeah, I'll just keep my eye out here in case anything new turns up at the feeder.
Okay. White, 12 sugars?
Yep, you know me, man.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Over.
Right. Oh, I haven't got the... Right. Come on then, little Woody pick. Where are you, my little Woody? Wood. Silver owl. Oh, God, quick. I cannot believe I'm actually seeing one, but there's a lesson. Where's my pen? There it is. I cannot believe I'm actually going to see and put in my log a lesser spotted wood. Ah! Ah! Oh, good sleepy time. Oh.
Okay, Arwell, do you want custard creams or Garibaldi's, Arwell? Arwell? Arwell! It's a lesser spotted woody spotty botty thing. Oh, it's amazing. Oh, it's so beautiful. I can see why you like this bird watching thing. It's such fun, Arwell.
Oh no.
What are you doing down there?
Oh, I think I pressed by the thing and it got the thing and a
There's
sleep
a lesser
time.
spotted woody.
Where's it graphic? Oh, it's gone. Oh. Hey, you said this wouldn't work. It does work. No, it's sleepy time. It does
Hey,
work.
I just wanted to check. Do you want a custard cream or a Garibaldi?
Oh, Garibaldi every time.
Garibaldi.
Garibaldi.
Come in,
Yeah,
Em.
yeah,
All
okay,
right.
come on. How many fig rolls?